Understanding the calculator policy for the digital SAT is essential to avoid problems on test day. While most basic and scientific calculators are allowed, not every device is approved for the exam. Some popular models, like the TI Nspire CX-CIS and HP Prime, are banned because they can solve algebra problems automatically. Any device with internet access, including laptops, tablets, and smartwatches, is also not permitted during the test. To check if a calculator is allowed, start by reviewing its name and main features. If it has CAS in the name or can solve equations using letters, it is not permitted. Common banned models include the TI Nspire CX2 CAS and the Casio Class Pad. Encourage your students to review the latest calculator rules on the College Board website before test day. Found this helpful? Share it with fellow tutors and students who may benefit.